so clever and creative. He'll help you learn the letters. He'll play his part from A to Z. He'll guide you through with his cleverness, and with he'll show you what to do.
Greetings, my clever students. Oliver, the clever parrot, is here to make our alphabet lesson even more exciting and memorable. Get ready to explore the wonderful world of letter C. Are you excited? I sure am.
Oliver hops onto a branch, fluffing his feathers, and adjusts his round glasses, giving him a scholarly appearance.
Look closely, my friends, at the shape of letter C. It's like a curved rainbow, reaching for the sky. Can you see it? Fantastic!
Oliver gracefully curves his body, creating a semicircle shape in the air with his wing, captivating the attention of the students.
Now, let's move on to the sound of letter C. Repeat after me. Coo. Remember to press the back of your tongue against the roof of your mouth to create this sound. Ready? Coo. Coo. Coo.
Oliver articulates the sound of coo with precision, demonstrating the tongue placement, and encourages the students to imitate him.
Brilliant! You've got it! Now, let's dive into some captivating words that start with the letter C. Repeat after me. Cat. Cat. Cat.
The students echo cat, 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 mimicking the movement of whiskers and playfully meowing like a cat.
Marvelous! Cats are adorable, furry creatures that make great companions. Imagine petting a soft cat and hearing it purr. Meow.
Oliver playfully rubs his head against his wing, imitating the act of petting a cat, and lets out a gentle purring sound, inviting the students to join in.
Now, let's try another word. Say it with me. Cupcake. Cupcake. Cupcake.
The students repeat. Cupcake. 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 Pretending to hold and eat a delicious cupcake.
Delightful. Cupcakes are sweet treats that come in various flavors, and are often decorated with colorful icing. Just imagine taking a bite of a scrumptious cupcake.
Oliver playfully pretends to hold a cupcake with his claw, takes a pretend bite, and smacks his beak in delight, eliciting smiles and hungry looks from the students.
Lastly, let's try one more word. Repeat after me. Carrot. Carrot. Carrot.
The students echo, carrot, 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 pretending to hold and munch on a crunchy carrot.
Fantastic! Carrots are crunchy. Hi, I'm Oliver. Please subscribe, like, and share as we continue learning the alphabet. Letter C. Orange vegetables that are good for your health. Just imagine taking a satisfying crunch of a fresh carrot. Crunch.
Oliver mimics munching on a carrot, making a satisfying crunching sound, and gives a playful nod to the students to do the same.
Excellent job, my clever students! You've discovered the shape, sound, and words starting with letter C. Remember the curved shape of letter C, the coo sound, and the words like cat, cupcake, and carrot.
Oliver pauses, allowing the students to absorb the new knowledge.
Now, let's make this learning experience even more interactive. Let's create a pattern together. I'll say cat, and you say cupcake. Ready?
Oliver starts the pattern by saying cat, and the students enthusiastically respond with cupcake.
Fantastic! Let's continue. I'll say cupcake, and you say carrot. Here we go!
Oliver and the students engage in the pattern, exchanging words with enthusiasm and joy.
Wonderful job, my clever friends! Remember, learning can be fun and creative. Keep exploring the magic of letters and words, and let your imagination soar. Until our next adventure, my brilliant students.
Oliver spreads his wings, giving a scholarly bow, as the students applaud and cheer, excitedly discussing the pattern they created.